Should I warn my female colleagues about the office creep, or is it not my place? There's this older male colleague who constantly brings my female coworkers snacks, makes them coffee, and flirts in what seems like old school charm. But here's what they don't know. When one of them first joined, he privately showed me a revealing photo of an OnlyFans model and said, "Doesn't she look like her?" This man is in his late 50s with a phone full of half-naked models, comparing them to our colleagues. I was so stunned I didn't say anything, but it stuck with me for years. They think his gestures are sweet and harmless. They brush off his courting as nothing serious. But I'm seeing something darker underneath. I've hinted at it, but they don't seem concerned. I'm leaving this job by the end of the week. I trust them to handle inappropriate moves, but not sharing what I know feels wrong too. What would you do? Tell them the truth or let it be? Sometimes the biggest workplace dangers hide behind the smallest gestures.